his fusty coat, was the first to play there in Merrion Row, when they brought the bouzouki to Ireland, you know. Way storm along John, Paddy and Maureen O'Donoghue, Kieran Burke, Luke Kelly, Ronnie Drew, Barney McKenna and me and you in the early 1960s. Well, Paddy...
We've all been honing our skills ever since Planxty broke up in our own directions, and I think what made it different to a lot of other comebacks, a lot of bands make a comeback and they hadn't actually been playing, you know. But we had all, you know, we'd been playing up to the moment that Planxty, that we got back together again, and I think
but all different as well, very individual.
Well, yes, all a lot more different than we were back in the 70s, but it was magic because from our point of view it was magic because we were playing largely a lot of the old stuff as one had to, but it wasn't like it was rehashed. It was like it was brand new, you know, and makes me feel very proud and the band feel very proud, and it was an amazing experience. Like, you know, it was...
I was talking to you yesterday, you were quite apprehensive about it, weren't you?
Well, I was initially. I had the feeling, you know, just supposing it doesn't work, it will be one of the world's largest pratfalls of all time. But I was very quickly, my fears were allayed very quickly especially by Christy, who was saying, well, you know, it's sold out already, and I was going, what? So, you know, by the time we got on the stage, I was fairly sure that we were going to do okay. And when we walked on the stage at Glore in Ennis, the very first night, the applause and the sight of people's faces was really moving, you know. It was a humbling experience.
It was a magical experience.